Missed your bus? Late for work? Things not going your way? There is nothing creamy Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Get the show started with this lip-smacking recipe. The ingredients you need to gather to make Fettuccine Alfredo pasta include fettuccine pasta, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, salt and black pepper, mixed herb, butter, heavy cream. Begin by boiling the pasta in a pot till al dente. In another pan, add butter along with minced garlic. Saute it for a while, then add heavy cream cheese to it. Stir gently and sprinkle mixed herb to this. Finally, add garlic powder, salt and pepper. Let it cook a little for about 2 minutes and then you can go forward to add Parmesan cheese. To this mixture, add boiled fettuccine pasta and give it a good mix. Once the flavor of the sauce are infused in the pasta, you can gobble it up. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video.